Okay, we're going to quickly show how to view the submission log. So you're going to click into your assessment, select students on the left-hand side, and then what you'll see here is a list of all of the students, and this column is your submission status column. So you're going to click on the links below to view a student submission log. So if I click on the submitted March 10 and open that up, you will see here all of the actions that the student took. Underneath, you've got in progress for Charles Darwin, and when you select on that, here is your submission status for that student. If you click on not viewed for Emmy Noether, you'll see they haven't viewed the assessment, they haven't taken any action here, and that's their submission log. So you find that information in the column called submission status, and then you actually select the specific student's actual submission status to open that up.